So from a young age, do not let that child sit with cartoons, with phones. Wallahi, I've had a question that was asked to me not long ago, saying, you know what, how can I seek the forgiveness of Allah? Because my 3-year-old was watching pornography on my phone. Why? How? I couldn't believe it, but now your 3-year-old knows more about your phone than mine. Or than anyone else's, than anything else. Let me word it again. Your 3-year-old knows more about your phone than you. They will pick it up. I recall I had put a little finger. You know, there is this system of opening your phone with your eye and your finger. At one stage it was the thumb. Now it's the eye. And the child says, no, come here. Don't just give me the phone. Bring your finger, put it here. It's your finger that's going to work here. The children know the pattern on your phone, how to open, what not. What number one is for a child to access porn at that age, it means it was somewhere in the phone. It was, something was happening. You don't just click on a website, you don't know. But you have pressed either the history or a clip that's happening. Number one, promise Allah that you are going to delete all the clips from your phone that are immoral. Do we promise? What happened? Why are we reluctant? Do we promise Allah that we will delete all the clips from our phones that are immoral? It's still not good enough. So many of you are just silent, looking at me like, there's nothing immoral on my phone. Come on, get away. Don't lie. Don't lie. Do you promise Allah? We want children who are going to grow up with high values, and we are not prepared to promise Allah that we will have high values. Come on, do you promise Allah you will delete every clip that is in your phone that is immoral? A little bit better. MashaAllah, may Allah make it easy for us. Be strong. Be hard on yourself so that you don't need to be hard on your children. Many of us are so hard on our children. Wallahi, I receive emails telling me that, you know what, I caught my father doing this, doing that, watching porn with a girlfriend, with this, that. I've read some of it. What do? I'm broken. I don't know whether to bash his face or what to do. Allahu Akbar. Your father. Allah has blessed you, my beloved parents, with an automatic respect from those children. It's we who spoil it. Automatic. Like what I said, when you get married, if your heart is pure and your connection with Allah is good, wallahi, you have to feel the mawadda and rahmah. Because Allah promised that in the Quran. But if you don't feel the mawadda and the rahmah, the love and the mercy, there's something wrong with your connection with Allah.